Calm is all nature as a resting wheel. The kine are couched upon the dewy grass. The horse alone, seen dimly as I pass, is cropping audibly his later meal. Dark is the ground. A slumber seems to steal o'er vale and mountain and the starless sky. Now, in this blank of things, a harmony, home felt and home created, comes to heal that grief for which the senses still supply fresh food. For only then, when memory is hushed, am I at rest. My friends, restrain those busy cares that would allay my pain. Oh, leave me to myself, nor let me feel the officious touch that makes me droop again.